Strong opinions on both sides, and you were among the millions who jumped online. More than 3 million tweets in just the first 2 hours. That was before midnight. Tonight, that number is far higher, and ABC's Rob Nelson with both sides. Some messages so threatening, they weren't up for long.
It took just seconds inside that Florida court
not guilty
to unleash the court of public opinion. Millions of Americans feverishly taking to Twitter in a flood of fiery reaction to the Zimmerman verdict. At its peak, nearly 48,000 tweets every minute. Americans weighing in with outrage. Wow, America, you can just kill any child and get away with it. Also support. Very happy about the Zimmerman case. The sentence was based off laws and rights, not color, how it should be. And calls for calm. I invite us all to pray for the Martin and the Zimmerman families, above all for peace and unity in our nation at this difficult time. That verdict, another cultural flashpoint, revealing a deeply divided digital nation. On one end, relief, conservative pundit Ann Coulter tweeting hallelujah. On the other, disbelief. New York Giants wide receiver Victor Cruz tweeting but later deleting, Zimmerman doesn't last a year till the hood catches up to him. But for some, like rapper Q-Tip, the verdict seemed almost expected. Can't be surprised, black life has no value in this country. So far, there have been more than 4.5 million tweets related to the verdict. That's more than in the wake of the Newtown school shooting. And tonight, #NoJustice is still trending. David?
Rob Nelson on the reaction tonight. Rob, thank you. And now to an intense focus on those jurors. 6 women, 5 of them mothers. And I want to bring back in our senior legal affairs anchor, Dan Abrams, co-anchor of Nightline as well. And Dan, take us inside that jury room. You believe the crucial issue for those jurors was what? The moment.
What was going on in George Zimmerman's mind at the moment that he fired that gun? Was he reasonably in fear that great bodily injury was going to be inflicted on him? Meaning, was he in fear that he was about to get beaten up? And if the answer to that question is yes, or even maybe, then that's a not guilty verdict.
In so many of these cases, the civil case comes next. We know that Trayvon Martin's family could sue, but in Florida, you pointed out that this could become very tricky.
Under Florida's controversial stand your ground law, Zimmerman can now seek immunity, try and prevent them from even suing him in a civil court. And if he wins that immunity, he could even get attorney's fees from them. So there are definitely some risks here involved in even suing George Zimmerman in Florida.